Dear students, today we see Unit 3 Analytic Functions. In this chapter, we see Introduction, Analytic Functions, Problem based on Analytic Functions, Cauchy-Riemann Equations. Introduction. A complex function is said to be analytic in the region R. It is differentiable at every point in R. It is also said to be as holomorphic function, differentiable function, regular function, and so on. The theory of the analytic function is originated in the 19th century due to the work of Cauchy, Riemann, and Weierstrass. Analytic functions have nice properties. It have derivatives of all orders. It is represented as Taylor series, and it is used in many transformations such as Fourier Laplace. Then the expansion can be used to calculate the explicit solution to differentiable equations. The analytic functions can be used in heat conduction, fluid flows, electrostatics, and telecommunication, so on. Now see the complex variable. You know that the complex variable is represented as z equal to x plus iy, where I equal to root of minus 1. Next we see the functions of complex variable. Here z and w are the two complex variables. Each value of z in the given region R, the complex plane, corresponds one or more values of w. Then the w is represented as the function of f of z. F of z is u of x comma y plus I v of x comma y. Here u and v are the real functions of the real variables x and y. Now consider the mapping. The complex function is the relation between z plane and the w plane. In the z plane, the complex variable is represented by z equal to x plus iy, and in the w plane, the complex variable is represented by w equal to u plus iv. This is nothing but w is the image of z. Now we see the basic definitions. First, analytic functions. Analytic function is said to be derivative exists not only at the point but also in some neighborhood of that point. Next, entire functions. The function is analytic everywhere in the finite plane. For example, e power z, sin z, cos z, etc. Now we see the Cauchy-Riemann equation. The Cauchy-Riemann equation is named after Augustin Cauchy and Bernard Riemann. It is discovered in 1851 by the theory of the functions. The important features of the Cauchy-Riemann equation is used to check the differentiability of the complex function, and it is verify the analyticity of the given function, and it is used to find the harmonic conjugate of the function. Now we see the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Now consider the complex function f of z. F of z equal to u plus iv. The partial derivatives of the functions are ux, uy, vx, vy satisfies the given condition ux equal to vy, uy equal to minus vx. The condition is said to be CR equations, that is Cauchy-Riemann equations. Next, we see the necessary condition. The given function f of z is to be analytic if f of z satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equations. Next, we see the sufficient condition. If the function f of z to be analytic, then the partial derivatives exist and is continuous in domain D, then the CR equations is satisfied. Now we see the problems. First, show that the function f of z equal to z bar is nowhere differentiable. In this problem, we show that f of z equal to z bar is not differentiable in the complex plane. Here given f of z equal to z bar. Z bar is nothing but the conjugate of z, which is denoted by x minus iy. The real part u equal to x and the imaginary part v equal to minus y. Then take the partial derivatives ux equal to 1, vx equal to 0 because v is the function of y only. Then uy equal to 0 because u is the function of x only. Then dou v by dou y is minus 1. Next we check the CR equation. Here the values of ux is not equal to vy. From this, the CR equation is not satisfied. Therefore, the given function is nowhere differentiable. Next, see the problem 2. Find the constants a, b from the f of z. If f of z is x plus 2ay plus I of 3x plus by is analytic. If the function f of z is analytic, in this problem the function is analytic means the given function satisfies the CR equation. Now consider the real part u is x plus 2ay and the imaginary part v is 3x plus by. Now take the partial derivatives. Ux equal to 1, uy equal to 2a. Then vx equal to 3, then by equal to b. Using the CR equations, ux equal to vy, vx equal to minus uy. Now comparing the values ux and vy, vx and uy. From this, we obtain a equal to minus 3 by 2 and b equal to 1. In this example, consider the function f of z is z square. Here we prove f of z is differentiable and the derivative of f of z is 2z. Now f of z equal to z square. Replace z equal to x plus iy. We obtain f of z as x square minus y square plus i2xy. Now the real part u is x square minus y square and the imaginary part v is 2xy. Now calculate the partial derivatives. Ux equal to 2x and vx equal to 2y. Then uy equal to minus 2y. Then vy equal to 2x. Here the CR equation is satisfied. The given function is analytic. This implies it is differentiable. Next, we calculate the value of f dash of z. Here, f dash of z is ux plus ivx. Ux is nothing but 2x, then vx is nothing but 2y. Therefore, f dash of z is 2x plus i2y. Then take 2 outside, 2 of x plus iy. Then you know that x plus iy is z. Then so f dash of z is 2z. In this example, to show that the function f of z equal to modulus of z square is differentiable only at z equal to 0. So given f of z is modulus of z square. We know z equal to x plus iy. Then modulus of z is square root of x square plus y square. From this, modulus of z square is x square plus y square. These functions have only real part, it does not have imaginary part. So, u of x comma y equal to x square plus y square. Then v of x comma y is 0. Then calculate the partial derivatives. ux equal to 2x, uy equal to 2y, then vx and vy are zeros. Then comparing with the CR equations, we get x equal to y equal to 0. Therefore, f dash of z does not exist at any non-zero point. Practice the given problems to check whether the following functions are analytic or not. I will give the YouTube link and some reference book for your kind reference. Thank you.